Hey guys, super exciting. Just got my rough country lift kit for 4Runner and haven't even opened it yet. I'm super excited. It's probably the wrong box, knowing my luck. So just brought it in the house here. Gonna open it up and see what's going on. Little guy over there sleeping. Very good time to make this video. Literally just came, like lady just drove away. Super exciting. Got the Medford. Broke the tip on it, but still works. So let's figure out what's going on here. Oh yeah, stickers. All right. So what we're working with here. Instructions and stickers. God, a lot of stickers. Fuck yeah. They send you extra cardboard, gotta love that. Alright, let's start with the smaller box. It's actually pretty heavy. I messed up my wrist in an accident. Hold on here, let's put this down. Messed up, broke my wrist in an accident, so I have a hard time doing stuff out of surgery. Oh. Yes. This is for the front coil isolators. This here is for the top of the shock. So it's basically just a new top hat. Equivalent to a wheel spacer, but for your strut. That bolts onto the strut, and then that bolts onto your tower. This is the lift that says 3 inches on eBay. It's just a cheap eBay one, just says 3 inches. Nothing special, it was like 200 bucks. And yeah, just super cheap. I mean, oh, let's see here. Come on. eBay. Purchase history. This one. Just a rough country one. 300 bucks or 280 bucks. Nothing special. Just a cheap one. Eventually I want to do the TRD Tundra lift. But whatever. We'll get there eventually. Can't really afford that right now. So it says it's a 3-inch lift. When in reality, 1.25 inches. I want my money back. Nah, just kidding, I'm running with it anyway. This in a pretty decent lift. Or, yeah. I don't know. Find out if this is worth it or not. Damn. Cardboard holding the shock in. Here's the shock. Feels pretty good. I like it. Kind of heavy. The only thing is I'm worried about is that. It needs to be a 3/4 inch diameter, I believe. Okay, we're good. Hopefully that'll fit. I'll be filming this all when we do it too. And here is the spring. almost 3/4 of an inch thick. So, good old cheap rough country lift kit for the 4Runner. Apparently it's supposed to make the ride quality go a little bit stiff. Not really worried about it. Everybody's all worried about ride quality. I'm really not that bad worried about it. If you drive a pickup truck around long enough, you get used to it. So, yeah. Bag that back up. I'm gonna box this back up, and I will make another video for you guys going back into, or putting this together. So, thank you guys. Leave a like, comment. I'll let you know how it works.